Miyoibana machi oidaba amasung fattaba chinja kaya charubana laina kaya pokhalli. Handak ising ichauda Esingna Thumjinkhraba Chana Thaknaba Potlamsing yolibara haina inspection chatpaga loinana Miyamda Yondanaba Dukandar Singda Khanghankhre haina Health and Family Welfare Minister Sapam Ranjanna Phongdokhre. Wafam asi ngasi Food Safety Administration Health Department na College of Food Technology Lamfelpat Central University of Agriculture ga khutsam naraga prepare for the unexpected haiba hiramda World Food Safety Day Englishing aniga kunga mari thoram iroi shembada leiba Central University of Agriculture gi Auditorium Hall da pangthokpada phongdokhibani. Thauram aduda mahakna hai food safety gi matangda laingaki mari leinaba department singna tongan-tonganba district singdasu mityeng changduna yengsili. Machi oidaba amadi haksang sokningai oiba chinjak sabana laina chanirom henna pokhalli. Aikoina chariba chinjak asida kari yawi haiba ningthina khangba mathau tai. Miyamna mapung fana khangnanaba hotnabada lairiba department sing asinasu hotnagadabani. Thanaba pirakpa potlam adu charakpa taragadi maduna aikoigi haksangda khudong thiba thokhalakani. Masida potlam sem sariba singnasu miyamgi khallaga masigumba asi tawbiganu. Handak ising ichauna pochai kaya thumjinkhiba leire. Maramaduna adugumlaba potsak sing adu dukan singda Yondanaba inspection chatpasu leire haiki. Thauram College of Food Technology Lamfelpat ki Dean MG Iboyaima amadi Director of Health Services Manipur gi Director O Sanahan bisu saruk yakhi.
This food safety takes a big role in making sure that the out-of-pocket expenses by the people, by the patients are reduced. And it's a very significant day. Yes, we were supposed to have on the 7th of June, but because of some issues we are having it today, but nevertheless, it is a significant occasion. It is a significant occasion. And as we gather here today, all of us, the officials, the students, the media personnel, we should all recognize the critical importance of food safety in our lives. As was said recently, 1 in 10 people worldwide falls ill from contaminated food each year. It's very important, and around 200 diseases, unsafe food, unsafe drinks, 200 disease kumba. This is why we from the health department, we have been making sure that food safety is being followed by all, and the awareness of this food safety is spread across the nook and corner of our state. Huziki statistic tuna akoy pulaga safe and nutritious meals I think it is our responsibility